South Korea's political crisis has reached a historic climax. The country's highest court has just removed President Yoon Suk Yeol from office, ending months of turmoil after his shocking declaration of martial law last December. In a unanimous and scathing ruling, South Korea's constitutional court upheld Yoon's impeachment, declaring his actions a grave betrayal of the people's trust. The court condemned his illegal imposition of martial law, including the deployment of troops to parliament and orders to forcibly remove lawmakers. President Yoon violated the Constitution, infringed on lawmakers' rights, and abused his authority as commander-in-chief. His declaration of martial law was unjustified. There was no national crisis warranting such extreme measures. The crisis began on that fateful night in December when Yoon, facing plummeting approval ratings and an opposition-controlled parliament, suddenly declared martial law. Troops were sent to the National Assembly, with reports of lawmakers being dragged out as they resisted the decree. The move backfired spectacularly, uniting even Yoon's allies against him. The National Assembly swiftly voted to impeach him, setting the stage for today's historic ruling. With Yoon's removal effective immediately, he must now vacate the presidential residence. South Korea will hold a snap election within 60 days to choose his successor, a race that could redefine the country's future at a critical moment. The timing couldn't be more consequential. With global tensions rising and U.S. foreign policy in flux under Donald Trump's America First agenda, South Korea, a major economy and key U.S. ally, now faces a leadership vacuum at the worst possible time. This is a victory for democracy. Yoon crossed a red line. He thought he could act like a dictator. We're closely monitoring the situation and urge a smooth transition of power. As South Korea braces for a pivotal election, the world watches to see if this scandal-ridden chapter will give way to stability or deeper division. One thing is clear, Yoon Suk Yeol's presidency is over, but the political shockwaves are just beginning.